Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. So, my realistic people, is happening live today in Nigeria. 18th March 2023. You know, February 25th was the presidential election, and this is for the governorship election, and a lot of things is happening right now. Our brothers and sisters living, especially in Lagos State, they are getting it bomber to bomber. But without not wasting much of your time, I just want to release the video so that you can hear from the horse's mouth. A lot is going on right now, but believe me, they must still call the result today, no matter what. You know the country now. So listen to this video and watch it carefully, and I'll be right back.
So, guys, today is just the worst. I came out to vote. I couldn't even bring out my phone to record or to say I'm at my polling unit and all of that. As soon as I brought my phone out, these guys came to attack me. As in, with knives, with bottles, everything. I'm driving. When I had to run out, they destroyed my side mirrors, hit my car. I don't even know. But why not up? Why not up? Now why? I don't even know the extent of the damage to the car, but I just ran out for my life because they were bringing out knives. They wanted to stab me and all of that. Thank God I came with some people to help me. So I'm driving. Who did you give? Oh God. Guys. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh, the guy was with a pistol, right?
Yes, he was trying to bring out something. So it was the knife that was the distraction.
So I'm going over to where the army are, because we went to turn at VGC. I'm going to go and tell them, don't you stop. Go
back and turn.
Okay. God, I'm tired of these things. I don't even know what to say. I'm tired. I'm tired.
I don't understand.
What happened to the free and fair election that they promised us? Nothing is free and fair. You want? Why? Why you're intimidating people? The long queue that we had during the presidential election, we were like 20 people, and it was just all different sorts of people. I just brought out my phone, I made a call and tried to tell people that I'm at the polling unit, I'm ready to vote. This guy came. The guy wearing white came. I had to run for my life. If not, I would have made a video inside there. This one was not even, let's scatter this. They were directly attacking me like it was just me. So I'm here. Let me meet the army. Around VGC, we saw them when we were turning. We saw them. Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. Please, I need your help. I need your help. No, they attacked me. They attacked me at my polling unit with knives. Did they get the call? I did my accreditation. I could not even vote. I know. I'm so scared. I can't go back. I can't go back. Look at what they did to my car. I thought they even smashed my screen.
They are going there now. They almost attacked us.
If not for them, because you know what happened the last time. I had to. I'm not. The camera is on me. Okay. They took my.
Okay, now the side mirror.
But I can't go there to vote anymore. I can't go. I can't go. I can't go. Because anything, they were with guns. But they were with guns.
Mama, let's go. Please, let's go. Please, you have children. Your children is your priority. Your children are your priority.
Give it blue coke. What is this? What is this?
Your children are your priority. Please, let's go, please. Your children.
Why not up to
for anything?
People won't come out at all.
Ah, God.
Here they even safe.
And I was
That
polling, that my polling unit is very porous. They should go there.
see that lady now they talk and say even all the back of the schools now their territory.
Now then get all this
So now where those armies supposed don't dey.
Ah,
this place where they can stay day free. Now this place have been this one fight for you. Now that place be the main thing.
oh my God. Guys. guys. Nigeria ti shelled. Nigeria have shelled. Hey, make I put filter. Can do go to Kamwadu. Nigeria ti shelled. We're going to pass there again because as soon as we came, they said they had deployed some guys to go to the polling units. Can't he go? Can flip or camera? Hey, I did accreditation. Oh, I could not vote. I wish I had carried. If I had carried. Some will be outside. But don't you hear the speed? We're gaffy. Only but hey, Jesus Christ. It's not possible. I may not
be police now.
See police sit down. No, these police are very useless.
Police sit down there.
Very useless.
Don't you slow down so that they will see that. I'm not going. They're here. The army is here. But I can't even go. I can't even go. Look at it. Look at them. No who go. Because see the polling unit. See the polling unit. Nobody, absolutely no one came out to vote because they're intimidating. They will know because our vehicle is back. What a shame. What a shame.
Then this one will do anything.
I should go inside. Lie. Waiting happen. My control. Look at them. Look at the army vehicle. They came. Look at. Hey, Nigeria is full. Look at people outside waiting to vote, but they cannot go in because just look at that. See, you guys see. Just look at that. They've gone there. Totunaga. You need it.
Remember? So this one 101. I go break your leg. Finish.
Tochuchelu can zoom in. Look at them. They're having confrontation now with the army.
That guy yamless can join.
Tochunapo. We go meet for street. Kaipo. Mechago. Guys, I'm going because it's not because of Nigeria. I'll come and. No, it's a shame. It's such a shame. If I hear that something this polling unit that 500,000 people voted and something you people should see. Oh, nobody is here. Oh, nobody is here. They're not letting people vote. Kaina.
This is 18 days of March 2023. Global News reporting for Abia State. It at home here is very alarming and so heavy. You can see our people are willing to go. This Abia State precisely as a case of Biafra land. A great thing is happening. You can see we're sitting at home. Yes, there is no election in Biafra land. There is no election in Abia State. Thank you very much.
17th March 2023. This is one of the government schools in Nsukka town. It is called Urban Boys Secondary School in Nsukka. Not even a soul is here. They are all sitting at home. As you can see. Let me move closer. By this time of the day, nobody is here. 28 minutes after 11. Let me check through their windows. Nobody is here. We facing a bus, I go school, just the empty class. In Africa. This is another class. Nobody is here. They are all sitting at home. Yeah, friends are sitting at home. Oh.
So my correalistic people, that bring us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you so much as I keep bringing you all the update, because I don't know why our people don't want to remain at home. Look at what is going on right now. It's better you sit down in your house. If you sit down in your house, nobody will come and harass you. Nobody will tell you what you don't know, or nobody will force you to do what you don't want to do. That is why you need to stay in your house. Sit at home, bikonu, to avoid stories that touch. Look at what our sister is saying. Oh, I don't want to come and kill myself for a country like Nigeria. Stay at home. I told that after the presidential election, a lot of people will have sense to say, no, this time around, I have to be so careful. But no, they did not still agree, or they still came out and see what is happening. If I show you videos here, if you see videos, if you see what is going on, you will not believe. As I'm talking to a lot of people turned RIP today, the 18th of March 2023. What are we not saying? A lot of people turn RIP. Stay in your house. Sit at home. Oh. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching, as I will keep bringing all the updates for you.